Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and today I have a collaboration video for you guys. I am collabing with Nicole, also known as 334 Bama Girl, here on YouTube. I will leave her link above and down below so you guys can go on over and check out her makeup tutorial. But we are doing a makeup tutorial using Dollar Tree makeup, and I've never used a full face. I never done a full face using Dollar Tree makeup, so I thought that would be really fun and different, and also just trying to see what Dollar Tree really has to offer when it comes to makeup and actually using nothing but them to create a full look. So this is the look that I created for you guys today. I wanted to do something that was a little bit more Valentine's Day inspired, since Valentine's Day is right around the corner and you can also go and not have to break the bank to look beautiful. And also I will be sharing with you guys a few of my opinions on these products as I'm going through with this makeup tutorial, just to really see if they're really like a good deal or if they could have stayed on the shelf. I'm just gonna be honest. If you guys want to see how to get this look, go ahead and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, so we're gonna start off with a primer, and I'm gonna apply that all over my face. So we're going to start off with LA Colors Shadow by Number palette, and I will list everything that I'm using down below in the description bar so you guys can know exactly what is what. But also, before I started, I decided to go ahead and put down a base using my Coverall palette by Wet n Wild. So following the numbers, I'm just going to go ahead and use number 2 and apply that all over to my lid. I'm going to use number 3 as a crease color, and from there I'm going to use, I believe, number 4 as a outer crease color. But one thing about this palette is that it was really chalky, so I didn't really get a lot of the payout from the color. I had to really go in there and apply it again and again and again, but it turned out okay, just that it was really chalky, and I feel like I got most of the shadow on my face than on my lids. So next is the Colormates eyeliner, liquid liner in the color black. I thought it was kind of cool that it had a little mirror on it. That's always needed. So one thing that I did like about this liner is that it was easy to control. It had a really stiff applicator, so it was easy for me to just put it on, and it didn't tug at my lid, and it was very pigmented. So the eyeliner was really good. For my lower lash line, I decided to use E.L.F's eyeliner in the color white. Now, I was a little disappointed in this liner because it was not giving me any pigmentation in the waterline, and I had to actually put it below the waterline, which I still wasn't getting any results from. For mascara, I'm using this LA Colors Bold Mascara in the color black. I didn't really like it. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. It didn't have any type of pigmentation or volumizing to it, so didn't like it at all. And next, I decided to put on some lashes by Sassy+Chic. Now y'all, I struggle with these lashes because first of all, they're plastic. So they were plastic and the glue smelled funny, and it took a lot for me to get them to stick, okay? But once I got them to stick, they looked cool, pretty cool, and taking them off was like ripping your eyelid off. So I didn't like the taking them off part. But these are okay to be Dollar Tree lash, like they get the job done. It's just that applying them was a handful, and then getting them off, the glue really stuck to your lid. So yeah, but they ended up looking okay for $1, so no complaints. Alright, so now I'm applying some foundation. This is the LA Colors Liquid Makeup Foundation in Creamy Beige. I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to insert a picture because I don't know where the footage went of me showing you guys the foundation, but if you can tell by my face, I was not a big fan of it. I felt like it looked a little pink, and when it actually set, it was a little bit too pink for me. Also, just let you guys know, there is not a lot of color selection, at least at my Dollar Tree. It was like, if you're a darker sister, they don't have like a darker, deeper shades. They have like light, medium shades. So that was kind of like, And then with this product here, I just didn't really like, I just didn't get it. I just felt like a lot of their products were more like undertone pink, and it just didn't really work for me. Alright, so next we're going to go into LA Colors blush, and I believe it's in the color Spice. And I really like this blush. I felt like it really had a lot of pigmentation, so this is one of my actual favorites. I would buy this again from Dollar Tree. It was a really nice blush. Last but not least, this is LA Colors Duo Lip Gloss / Lipstick. Duo, what do I call it? It's called like a duo lipstick / lip gloss. There you go. So I was kind of confused by this product because I was like, oh, can you combine them or not? So I ended up putting the lipstick on first, which was a lot. It was really smudgy. Like the lipstick was really smudgy. The color was really pretty, but it was really smudgy. And then I tried to put the lip gloss on top to give it a little bit of pop, and it was okay. I'm not a big fan of it, but I don't hate it. So all in all, not bad from a Dollar Tree store. And when looking back on some of these pictures, they were really nice. The makeup came out really nice. Besides the color selection and a few other things, it's not a bad deal. It's not a bad buy. You can definitely find some great stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video.